Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Car Help You. So in today's video what we're doing is we're working on a Ford Transit 2016. The problem with this one is it says exhaust filter over limit, service now, oil change required, and it's not saying it now but it says Adblue service error. Will not start in, I think this car in general was saying 46 miles. So basically the lights that have come on are the red eye, which is in the red square as you can see in the middle there. The Adblue lights on, you can see now that's just banged on. The Adblue light flashing down there, and the engine management lights on. So when you run the codes through, it'll come up as the DPF. As you can see there, Adblue says no engine start. We just press OK on that. So basically what the problem is it just needs a DPF regen. Yours may be a similar issue, or it might have a different issue, as these are known to have other issues such as leaks, etc. Some sensors always go in these cars. They are in the Adblue system. It is not a reliable system, shall I say. But in this one in general, this is a 66 plate, and the issue, as I've showed you, is there. We're just waiting for the engine temperature to get up. Once it's at 65 degrees, we'll start the regeneration. You don't need to drive it. This car can stay parked for the regen. System's all connected up. The OBD port for this car is actually underneath the driver side steering wheel. You can see the steering wheel's there and it's literally just there, so it's not really far. If you just pull that cover out and it just goes to there. Anyway guys, once we've done this I will let you know what's happening next. I'll upload a picture on another video and I'll just join it together. Thank you.
Ready. Okay,